Sondra, honey, come help me, please. I don't know about this. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of IKNOWLEE, and I have some new makeup that I've been meaning to play in. I actually got this Freak palette from Juvia's Place on the Black Friday sale. I got 4 palettes from her and they were all $11 and they came in a couple of days ago. I want to play with this yellow. I haven't touched the palette at all, it's brand new, but I'm interested in this like neon yellow called Aya or Aya. I don't know, girl. And then I also have the Morphe James Charles palette. I've had this one for a couple of weeks now and I have been playing in it. Not too bad though. It still looks pretty neat, but I'm feeling like these neon greens. And I was watching an old tutorial that I saved from SONJDRA DELUXE where she did a neon look. Now this was probably in like September. Feeling neon, obviously. I love the look and I was like, oh my gosh, I want to recreate it. So I'm gonna watch it really quickly and probably watch it throughout this tutorial. Sondra, honey, it's this. I'm gonna insert it because this look is so freaking cute. And let's see if we can recreate it. Okay, so I have on my base. I don't have on like blush and highlighter, but I have my brows done, my foundation, my powder, and my contour. We're just gonna jump into the eyes and then I'll do the rest of the face and the lips on camera. I'm gonna pretty much kind of recreate the exact look she did because it's so bold that I don't think that you can just go like completely overboard. But I don't have the exact same palette that she used, so I'm gonna substitute it for the 2 palettes that I showed you. I wish so much that you could like pause IG tutorials, but you can't, like YouTube. Nonetheless, I'm gonna use my MAC Studio Finish Concealer, and these two are in NW40 and NC45, and I'm going to use this Morphe brush, R42. It's like a concealer brush, and I'll just be spreading this like all over the lid. Cat eye shape? She did this shape, so this shape I'm gonna do. Based on her tutorial, she didn't use any other eyeshadow but like the lime greens. Her shape looks something like that. We'll see if this works. Let's start off with the Morphe, the Sister Slay palette from Sister James Charles. This color is Social Blade. I hate these inserts. I wish that they would invest in actually putting the name on the palette. I'm gonna use this as a base. Ooh, that's really green. I'm literally just patting it in. I'm getting a smaller brush. She uses her fingers. I don't know. It looks so much easier online than what it is right now. Even with this one shadow, and this is not the right color green. I think that the actual kind of neon yellow in the Juvia's Place palette is gonna be the exact color that I'm looking for. Ooh, but that has fall out. Maybe I'll use this on my finger. For the tail, I still have to use a brush. It's not as smooth as I would like it either. How in the hell did she do that? It looked kind of like her look, but not quite like her look, you know. I tried following SONJDRA DELUXE Instagram story and it was almost a fail. I'm gonna rock it though, however it turns out. I am going to take like a pencil blending brush. This is the Morphe M507, and I'm going to use a bit of Cameroon, which is like this warm orangey brown, just a little bit right in the crease. I just needed it to kind of clean up that line, and I'm gonna use a bit right underneath it. I ain't mad at it. We're just gonna kind of speed through this eye because I've went through all of the trouble on this one, so it's no point in going through that again. Both eyes are done. I'm applying a little bit of mascara. This one is from Benefit. It's the Bad Gal Lash, and while this dries, I'll do the rest of my face. I'll be using Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, my favorite highlighter, and I think it's gonna look stunning with this. Then I'll be using MAC's Raisin Blush. So I think I'm just going to do a lip liner, kind of fill it in, and then do Gloss Bomb. This is Urban Decay's lip liner in 1993. Site Urban Decay's lip liner in Conspiracy. This needs to be sharpened. Okay, I don't have Gloss Bomb back here, so I'm using White Russian by Buxom. That's pretty. It'll work. Now for the lashes, I'm using Shop L&L Lash, the color Kylie. These lashes are so pretty. They so cute. This is Duo Liquid Glue. Yes, I apply my lashes with my fingers. With my fingers, I just kind of pop the lash in the middle, even if it's not like perfect, and then I press the end, and then I press in the inner corner, and I let it dry for maybe like a minute, and then I squeeze it together with my real lashes, and they usually turn out perfect. That's what your girl been doing, and it's been working. I'm gonna take a little bit of Perversion eyeliner by Urban Decay and just kind of do a little bit of my waterline. For the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna pop some Trophy Wife. She had, let me look at this on my phone. I don't feel like I look like Son. You guys let me know. I low-key think it's a fail, but it's not bad to where like I can't rock it. But I do want to know your opinion. Let me know in the comments below. What do I need to perfect? I want to know because, you know, I really like makeup, but I'm not like the best at it. I think I'm okay, but I'm not like there, you know? Because every time I post something on Insta stories, y'all be like, do a video. Like, girl, you only knew. But make sure that you subscribe if you didn't at the beginning of the video. I would greatly appreciate it. I don't know if I'm gonna make this Tutorial Tuesday a thing, but I might, and that could be like hair tutorials, makeup tutorials. So if it's something that you would like to see, then please thumbs up this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.